Hello and welcome. In this video, let's understand what are instead of triggers in SQL Server. Okay, so here I have my database demo DB database. Here, if I see in the tables, I have employees table and currently I don't have any triggers available in this table. If I check my triggers tab folder, this is currently empty. Now, let's open a new query window. And here, let's create a trigger. So I will say create trigger and I will say trg and I will name it delete not allowed. So this is the name of the trigger. And earlier you have seen we were creating the after trigger by using the after keyword. We were saying after and then we were saying insert or update or delete. And based on that, it was getting fired. But to create an instead of trigger, we need to make use of instead of keyword. You can see here, we need to make instead of keyword, and then we need to specify the operation. So, but first of all, I need to specify on which table I'm trying to create this, because I'm trying to create this on employees. So I will put on employees table here. Okay. And then I will say instead of delete. Okay, as begin and end. Okay, so what basically will happen whenever, let me change my database also so that we can get rid of this red squiggly line. Okay, so I'm in my demo DB database now. This error is also gone. So what will happen with the instead of trigger, right? Instead of doing the delete operation, what it will do? It will fire the code that is present inside this piece of code. What was happening in the after triggers? It was also doing the insert operation also or the delete operation also. That operation was also getting performed, and as part of that operation, after that operation was completed, then we were firing this piece of code what is present in the trigger. But in the case of instead of triggers, this operation will not complete. Instead of doing this operation, we will execute this piece of code. That's why they are called as instead of trigger. We will not do the operation. Instead of that, we will do something else. Okay, so I will say print delete not allowed. Okay, so I'm creating this trigger here. Now let's try to delete some data from our table. I will say delete from employees where employee ID is equal to 1. Okay. So I'm trying to delete this particular row from my table. When I execute this, you can see I'm getting delete not allowed message is coming. And if I check my data in my database, if I say select star from employees, you can see I am still having this employee ID 1. This is not getting deleted. So this is not getting deleted. So instead of doing this delete operation, we are executing this piece of code, right? So this is the purpose of instead of trigger in our SQL Server. Similar to delete, we can also have update and insert also, right? So we will not perform these operations. Instead of doing those operations, we will execute this piece of code or whatever code you want to execute here. You can insert in some audit table, or you can perform some validation or something else that you want to do as part of this piece of code here. Okay. So this is how instead of trigger works in SQL Server.